My name is Richard Derry. I'm the parts manager here at Fairbanks Trailercraft. Fairbanks, we do a little bit of everything. We do light duty, heavy duty, we do trailers, big trucks, you name it. We do pretty much everything. Light duty customer comes in, they're usually asking about hitches, hitch wiring, straps, bungees, pretty much anything and everything we can do for tie down, down to axles, bearings. Most people call it in for would be lights, and we do Optronics, Light Force, Vision X. The heavy duty parts, we do a lot of OEM, we do aftermarket, anything from engine parts all the way down to like a mud flap. So if you need any parts, light duty, heavy duty, just come down and see my team and I here at Fairbanks Trailercraft.